let's have an example. Suppose that the measure of angle 3 is equal to 74. So let us assume that line A is parallel to line B and line C is parallel to line D. So again, we have four transversal here. So si line A, pwede mong gamitin as transversal kasi may 2 points siya na in-intersect. Ganon din si line B, ganon din si line C, at si line D. So meron tayo ditong 4 transversal. Okay? So alin man dyan, pwede maging transversal. Now, so we are asked to find the measures of all the other angles. Okay? So nagbigay lang siya ng isang measures. The measure of angle 3 is equal to 74. So ilagay natin siya. Ayan. So meron na tayong isang measure ng angle. Now, pwede mo i-pause yung video para mag-try kang sumagot bago mo makita yung sagot dito sa ating presentation. Okay? Para matest mo na rin ang sarili mo kung kaya na. Okay? So, again, by applying the concept of angle pair and angle pair relationship, makukuha natin lahat ng measures ng angles. And then, pwede mo nang gamitin yung concept ng parallel lines cut by transversal. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin. So, angle 3 and angle 4 are form a linear pair. Okay? So, itong dalawa form a linear pair. So, therefore, dapat 180 ito. So, para maging 180, ano dapat si angle 4 mo? 106 degrees. Okay, nakuha mo na to. Pwede mo na kunin to. Okay? Vertical angle sila. So, kung vertical angle sila, ibig sabihin, this is also 106 degrees. Next, vertical angles din to. So, this is also 74 degrees. Madali lang, 'di ba? So, pag nakuha mo, pag kahit isang measures lang po ang binigay dyan, okay? Basta parallel lines po ang kinat ng transversal mo, makukuha mo po lahat yan. Okay? Pag nakuha mo na to, apply mo yung concept ng parallel lines cut by transversal. Diba si angle 3 ay corresponds dun sa angle 1 mo. So, kung corresponding angles, alam natin that corresponding angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, si angle 3 at angle 1 pareho. This is also 74 degrees. Okay? Nag-solve pa ba tayo? Hindi na. Ginamit lang natin yung concept ng parallel lines cut by transversal, that corresponding angles are congruent, alternate interior angles are congruent, alternate exterior angles are congruent, at same side interior at exterior angles are supplementary. So, gamitin yun na yung concept na yun. Why? Kasi parallel lines po ito. Okay? So, kung 74 ito, lahat to corresponding na dun eh. Okay? So, makuha mo na lahat. Ito, correspond siya dun sa angle 5, so 106 rin po ito. Ay, angle 4, correspond siya sa angle 2, 106 rin to. Ito, correspond siya dito, so this is also 106 degrees. Or, pwede rin namang ito, vertical sila. Actually, ang dami mong pwedeng gamitin. Okay? And then this one, vertical sila, so ibig sabihin 74 din to. Or pwede mo kang tumingin dito. Since correspond siya doon, 74 yan. Okay, next. Paano naman natin makukuha ito? Walang given. Paano natin makukuha? Apply mo yung corresponding angles are congruent. Or pwede rin namang apply mo yung same side interior angles are supplementary. Ito, nasa same side sila, 'di ba? If C is your transversal here, okay? C yung transversal mo. Ito, same side to. Same side interior angles. So, same side interior angles are supplementary. So, ano dapat ito para maging 180 sila ni 106? 74. Okay? So, ito, same side interior angles ito. Or pwede mo i-apply yung corresponding angles na congruent sila. So, ang dami mong pwedeng gamitin. Okay? So, pag nakuha mo na to, kuha mo na lahat eh. Okay? So, this is corresponding angle. So, 106. Ito ay vertical sila. So, 106. Ito ay vertical din, 74 degrees. Okay? And then, corresponding din ito. Why? B is your transversal dito. If B is your line of transversal, so ibig sabihin, ito, correspond siya dito. So, this is also 74 degrees. And then, this is, ito, correspond siya dito, or pwede rin ito. Ito, correspond siya dito, if D is your transversal. Okay, so correspond siya doon. So, this is also 106 degrees. So, apply mo na yung ibang concept. Ito ay 106 then vertical. Ito, vertical din, so 74. So, if I were you, kompletuhin nyo muna yung nasa figure. And then, tsaka nyo ilagay lahat ng sukat. Okay? Pag nakompleto na, tsaka nyo na ilagay. Huwag tayo yung paisa-isa naglalagay kasi mas nakakalito yon. So, supply nyo muna lahat and then tsaka nyo po ilagay yung mga measures niya. Next. Okay, so let's have this one. So, paano kapag ganito ang figure mo? Okay, so, by the way, pwede nyo po i-extend yung mga lines na yan. Okay? Pwede nyo po i-extend. So, in this figure, ang pinapahanap sa atin, calculate the unknown in the given figure. So, unknown, ito yung mga variable. So, ano kaya mga sukat ng mga yan? Yan ang hahanapin natin. So, let's have the first one. Okay. So, para makuha natin si angle Y, pwede mo i-apply. So, ito ang magiging transversal mo dyan. Okay? So, paisa-isa lang muna tayo. Ito ang transversal mo dyan. So, anong relationship ni angle Y dito? They are what? Ayan, no? Opposite side. Okay, they are opposite side. So, ibig sabihin, congruent sila. Kasi ano yan? Alternate interior. Gamitin mo yung concept. Alternate interior angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, yung measure ni angle Y mo is equal to this angle. So, ipa-plus natin si 25 at 30. Okay? So, that is 55. So, anong measure nito? This is 55 degrees. Okay? Anong reason? Alternate interior angles are congruent. So, in-apply natin dito yung alternate interior angles are congruent. Kasi ito, interior angles sila. So, congruent yan. So, kung ito ay 55, 55 din si angle Y. Okay, proceed tayo kay angle X. So, tingnan mo yung figure mo, ano ang pwede mong gamitin. So, if this is your transversal, okay, ito yung transversal mo, ibig sabihin, ito, opposite side sila. Okay? Alternate interior angle to, kung ito ang transversal. So, ito, kung ito ang transversal, alternate interior angle si X at si 30. So, therefore, the measure of angle X is also 30. Why? Because alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay? So, since alternate interior angles sila, therefore, congruent yan. So, the measure of this angle is also 30 degrees. Okay? Next. So, in this figure, we have the unknown. We are asked to find the unknown value of X and Z. Okay? So, pwede mo yan i-extend. Okay? Pwede nyo i-extend yung mga lines na yan kung nalilito kayo sa kung asan yung transversal. So, focus muna tayo dito sa angle Z. Okay? So, your angle Z is anong relationship niya dito sa 47 at 85. So, why do I have this? Okay? Etong dalawa na to, if this is your transversal, titingnan mabuti. Kung ito ang transversal mo, ito at ito ay corresponding angles. Right? So, ito po at ito corresponding angles. Ibig sabihin, ano ang sinasabi kapag corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, dapat yung sukat nito kapareho nito. So, kung ito ay 85, dapat 85 din to. So, paano natin makukuha? Pag in-add daw natin ito, dapat kapareho niyan. So, ito siya. The measure of angle Z plus 47 is equal to 85. Okay? So, yan po ang kukunin natin. So, dapat mag-equal siya sa 85 din kasi corresponding angles yan. So, we have the measure of angle Z is equal to 85 minus 47. So, measure of angle Z is equal to 38. Okay? So, therefore, this is 38 degrees. Okay? Anong reason? corresponding angles are congruent. So, dapat alam natin yung reason kung bakit. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, 38 degrees. Kasi pag inad mo si 47 at 38, ang makukuha mo dyan 85. Bakit dapat 85? Kasi congruent naman sila. That corresponding angles are congruent. Now, let us find the value of x. So, extend natin. So, eto ngayon ang transversal mo dito. Okay. So, anong relationship niya? Hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung alternate interior. Ma'am, angle x and angle z are alternate interior angles. No. Kasi hindi naman itong buong angle ang tinukoy niya dito sa angle z mo. So, hindi mo yan pwedeng gamitin. Okay? Kasi ito ay ang ka-alternate interior niya, itong buo. Yung angle z mo, itong part lang eh. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng gamitin. Ang pwede mong gamitin is ito. Okay? Anong relationship nitong dalawang to? They are interior angles on the same side. So, interior angles on the same side must be supplementary. So, kung supplementary, dapat si angle x, yung measure ni angle x mo at ni 47, dapat mag-equal sa 180. Okay? So, solve natin. We have 180, lipat natin doon, magiging minus 47. So, the measure of angle x is equal to 133. Okay. So, 133 ibig sabihin ito. Anong reason? They are same side interior angles are supplementary. So, itong dalawang to, ang relationship nila ay interior angles on the same side. So, dapat 180. So, therefore, your angle x is 133 degrees. Next. So, dito meron tayong 4 na unknown. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. So, kunin natin si angle A. Anong relationship ang pwede mong gamitin? Etong dalawa, alternate interior, kaya lang di mo siya makukuha dahil wala pa tong sukat. Okay? So, ito ang given. So, anong relationship ni angle A at ni 118 degrees? Itong angle na to, they are interior angles on the same side. So, kung interior angles on the same side yan, ibig sabihin, 180 dapat. Supplementary yan. So, yun ang gagawin natin. Okay. So, the measure of angle A and 118 degrees must have a sum of 180. Okay. So, the measure of angle A is equal to 180 minus 118. Therefore, your angle A is equal to 62 degrees. Why? Same side interior angles are supplementary. So, itong dalawang to ay same side interior. So, kapag same side interior, dapat 180. Okay, so, para maging 180 sila, ano dapat ang measure ni angle A? 62 degrees. Okay, so dapat alam natin yung relationship. Okay? Dapat alam mo kung anong meron sa kanilang dalawa. Next, let's find the measure of angle B. So, ano ang pwede mong gamitin dito? Okay, so, pwede nating i-add yung measure ni angle A na 62 degrees, okay, si 52 degrees, at yung measure ni angle B. Why? Take note that the sum of adjacent angles on the same line is 180. Tatandaan na kapag meron kang line dyan, automatic, lahat ng angles na nasa line mo, 180 yan. Kaya nga, di ba, kapag meron tayong linear pair, 180, kasi nasa isang line siya, ganun din po dito. Since nasa isang line, si angle A, ito, at yung angle B mo, dapat mag-sum yan ng 180. So, kahit 4 na angles pa yan, basta nasa isang line sila, ang sum nun palagi ay 180. Okay, so the sum of adjacent angles on the same line is always 180. So, si angle A, si angle B, at itong 52 degrees, dapat kapag inad yan, 180. So, yun ang gagamitin nating concept. Okay? So, the measure of angle A plus the 52 degrees plus the measure of angle B, dapat mag 180 ang total niyan. So, let us solve. Your A is 62. So, add natin. We will have the measure of angle B is equal to 180. Transpose natin ito, magma-minus, magma-minus. So, the measure of angle B is equal to 66. So, therefore, this is 66 degrees. Pag inad natin ito, 62 plus 52, this is 114, plus 66, we have 180. Okay, so tatandaan na lahat ng angles na nasa isang line, so ito, lahat ng angles na nasa isang line, 180 po dapat yan. Ganon din dito sa taas. Lahat nitong angles na to, we have 1, 2, 3. 180 rin po yan. Kaya, kapag meron ka nito, lahat ng angles na merong, halimbawa, itong point na to, lahat ng angles ng point na to is equal to 360. Bakit? Kasi ayan, we have 6 angles dyan. So, kapag itong point na to, kinuha natin lahat ng angles niyan, isang rotation yan eh. That is 360. Okay? So, pero pag line lang tayo, itong line na to, 180. So, ito, 180 rin yan. Okay, pwede natin gamitin yung concept na yon. Next. So, let's proceed to angle C. Now, si angle C, ang dami mo nang pwedeng gamitin dito. Si angle B at si angle C ay alternate interior angles. Okay, so therefore, kuha mo na agad si angle C. Si angle C ay 66 degrees. Okay, 66 degrees din siya. Why? Kasi alternate interior angles sila. Okay, and alternate interior angles are congruent. Now, kung ayaw mo naman nun, pwede mong gamitin yung concept ng, pwede mong gamitin yung, eto, so 62 plus 52 plus the measure of angle C is equal to 180. Anong concept ito? Ito po ay, anong tawag nito? Same side interior. Okay? Etong angle na to, at ito, nasa same side interior sila eh. Ito yung transversal mo. Okay. So, ito yung transversal mo. Ito, at ito, ay same side interior. Okay. So, ito, at ito, same side interior. So, kung same side interior angle sila, dapat supplementary. So, 180 dapat yan. So, kaya 62 plus 52 plus the measure of angles is equal to 180. So, ito yung isa pang way. Okay? Kung ang gusto mo i-apply ay alternate interior angles, pwede to. Kung ang gusto mo i-apply ay same side interior angles on the same side are supplementary, pwede rin po. So, ito, dapat mag 180 siya. So, add natin. The measure of angles is equal to 180 minus 62 minus 52. And that is 66 also. So, therefore, this is also 66 degrees. So, same side interior angles are supplementary or interior angles on the same side are supplementary. Yun po yung pinaka-reason niyan. Okay? So, ang daming ways. Pwede ito, pwede yun. Next, the measure of angle D. Oh, ito madali na lang. Okay? The measure of angle D is equal to 62 degrees. Anong reason? Ang dami. Okay. Si angle A at si angle D are alternate interior angles. So, alternate interior angles are congruent. Kaya pareho. Pwede rin namang ito, diba? It forms a linear pair. So, these two angles form a linear pair. Therefore, they are supplementary. So, 118 plus 62 is equal to 180. Okay? And then, pwede rin ito, yung triangle sum theorem. Okay? Na ang triangle sum theorem, ang interior angles niyan dapat laging 180. So, 180 minus 52 minus 66, kung ilan yung kulang para mag 180, yun yung angle D. So, ang daming pwedeng apply. The triangle sum theorem, itong linear pair, or itong alternate interior angles. Okay? Or pwede rin ito, same side interior angle. So, dapat, kung ano yung total nito, i-minus mo sa 180 kasi dapat supplementary sila. So, pag inad natin itong tatlo, dapat supplementary. So, marami po tayong pwedeng gamitin dyan. So therefore, the measure of angle A is 62 degrees, your B is 66 degrees, your C is 66 degrees, and your D is 62 degrees.